Don't panic. You are about to become extremely wealthy. Listen carefully because sometimes one moment, one message, one shift is all it takes to unlock the future you've been waiting for. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Cosmic Connect. If you're here right now, it isn't an accident. You've been drawn to this message for a reason. I want you to pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to really feel the words I'm about to speak. They're not just sentences, they are frequencies. Vibrations designed to align you with wealth, with abundance, with prosperity flowing into your life right now. If you're ready for that, I need you to do something powerful. Type the word increase in the comments below. When you write it, you're not just leaving a comment, you're declaring to the universe that your financial energy is rising. And if you want this energy to ripple outward, share this video with someone you love, because the more you spread it, the stronger it becomes. Now, let's get into it. The energy you surround yourself with shapes your reality. Think about it. Every word you speak, every thought you hold, every symbol you keep close to you is like a tuning fork. It vibrates with a certain frequency, and that frequency attracts more of itself. Surround yourself with scarcity, fear, or doubt, and you'll see more of it. Surround yourself with positivity, gratitude, and prosperity, and the doors of abundance begin to open wide. This is why today's message is so important. Because right now, while the world's economy feels uncertain, while people are filled with worry and anxiety about money, you're being invited to step into a completely different energy. You're being told, do not panic, because panic blocks the flow. Fear shuts the door. But when you align yourself with peace, certainty, and trust in the universe's design, something incredible happens. Money begins moving towards you, faster than you thought possible. And I need you to believe this. Money is not just numbers on a screen. It is not just pieces of paper. Money is energy. Money is vibration. Money is already surrounding you, waiting for you to open yourself to receive it. When you shift your frequency, you stop chasing it, and it starts chasing you. So let's do something together right now. Close your eyes if you can. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel that breath filling your chest with clean, golden energy. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale through your mouth, letting go of stress, worry, and doubt. Every exhale is clearing away old blocks. Every inhale is charging you with prosperity. Can you feel it? That lightness in your chest, that soft glow starting to rise inside you? That is not your imagination. That is alignment. Now picture a golden light wrapping around you. It's warm. It's powerful. It feels like a cocoon of certainty, of safety, of unstoppable abundance. This golden energy is the frequency of wealth itself. As it surrounds you, it's dissolving fear, dissolving doubt, and reprogramming you to expect prosperity at every turn. With every breath you take, the light grows brighter. With every heartbeat, the magnet of abundance gets stronger. You're no longer hoping for money. You're no longer waiting. You're becoming the source, the magnet, the attractor. This is why I need you to stay with me until the end of this video, because soon we'll speak a decree together, a declaration so powerful it will feel like the universe itself is listening. But before we get there, I want you to engage with this energy right now. Type in the comments, I am ready for increase. Say it in your mind as you type it. Let the world and the universe know you're stepping into this alignment. And if you haven't already, Subscribe to Cosmic Connect right now, because if this message has found you, it's only the beginning. Every video we share is designed to align you more deeply with abundance, with purpose, and with the cosmic flow that was always meant to be yours. Don't miss the next activation. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's walk this journey together. Because here's the truth. You are stepping into a new reality. A reality where money flows into your hands with ease. A reality where your goals are not just possible, they're already on their way. A reality where prosperity becomes your natural state. Breathe into it, feel it, believe it. Your financial breakthrough is already beginning. Now that you've felt the shift, let's take this energy deeper. Right here, right now, you are standing at the doorway of a new financial reality. The version of you that once worried about bills, about uncertainty, about how money will show up, that version is dissolving. In its place, a new you is emerging, confident, magnetic, and fully aligned with prosperity. Let me remind you, money is not far away. It is not something you need to chase, struggle for, or sacrifice your peace to earn. Money is already in motion. It is already flowing toward you in streams both seen and unseen. You're not waiting for the right time. You are the right time. So let's anchor it now with words that carry power. These are not just affirmations. They are declarations spoken directly into the universe. Say them with me, silently or out loud. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am financially free. Increase is my reality. Each time you say these words, imagine the golden energy around you pulsing brighter. Imagine doors opening, opportunities appearing, and resources aligning. The universe doesn't respond to fear. It responds to certainty. And the moment you decide, truly decide, that wealth is yours, everything begins rearranging to make it so. Now, I want you to do something bold. If you're watching this, don't just absorb this message. Participate in it. Write in the comments. Wealth is my new reality. When you do, you're sending out a signal that you are no longer hiding, no longer doubting, no longer waiting. And if you really want to amplify it, share this video with one person who needs to hear it. Remember, abundance expands when it is passed forward. And before we finish, don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Connect. Every message we share is part of a greater activation, a journey designed to rewire your thoughts, your energy, and your expectations so that prosperity becomes natural, effortless, unstoppable. If this video has stirred something inside you, imagine what's ahead when you walk this path with us daily. So take a deep breath with me one last time. Inhale wealth, exhale fear. Inhale opportunity, exhale limitation. Inhale abundance, exhale doubt. Feel how natural it is. Feel how good it feels. That's because this is who you really are. From this moment forward, declare it. Money flows to me easily. Opportunities find me naturally. Prosperity surrounds me endlessly. This is not just a dream. It is your truth. And the more you engage with this truth, the more it grows. Now visualize it. See money flowing to you like a river. Endless, powerful, unstoppable. See your hands overflowing with opportunities, your home filled with abundance, your heart expanding with gratitude. Wealth isn't just coming, it is already here, wrapping itself around you in waves of gold. So let's seal this message together. Whisper it if you can, or think it with all your heart. Increase, increase, increase. That word is now your frequency. It is your magnet. It is your reality. The financial breakthrough has already begun. Receive it. Believe it, live it, and never forget to comment, share, and subscribe because every time you do, you are declaring to the universe, I am ready for more.